So YouTube, back another video, and in this video I am just gonna be doing some random things. And I bet you wonder why I'm not looking at the camera, because I'm doing something. Cause it's that's why. Wait. My bad.
Ta-da!
Hunter, come get a video. Say this. Say you're right. Say you're right.
Stop raising!
Yo, where did that come from, bro?
Derp.
Derp. Yo, Hunter, can you tell me what's 9 plus 10?
21.
Hunter, ask me.
It's 19.
Ask me, what is it?
It's 19.
Ask me what is 9 plus 10. Hunter, what's 9 plus 10?
21.
21?
You stupid. Nah. Yo, you
Okay, how'd that come from?
I know, right? That was creepy. But get out of here, bro.
That looked like a monster, like ghost.
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
Dodo, what?
Who done that?
Wait. Wait. I'm looking for one.
Who done that?
Wait.
They done that?
Where is it, bro? I love that one, too. You see it,
They done that?
Stop saying donut. Look, Hunter, it's a bird. It's a bird right there, look. And that is...
And his name is John C.
I don't know, I'm just bored, bro. I'm just making these random videos.
I don't like that thing.
Wow. Okay, but just doing random sounds, as you can see in the title, and peace out, bro. Let's get this video to, let's see, 20 likes and 15 comments. Boom. I know y'all can do it. And please subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, and share. Peace out, bro. Follow my Twitter and my Instagram, link in the description. I don't got a Facebook, but yeah. Peace. Wait, one thing. Peace. Hunter, say, come, say bye.
Bye.
Do the peace.
Bye.
Peace.